Okay, I'm going to show you how to build a Guru style squeeze page like this one in just a few minutes. So once you've gone ahead and installed the plugin and you're logged into your WordPress, you're going to go ahead and click on Pages and Add New. And you can go ahead and give it a title. You don't have to, but this is more for just your use so that you can find it later in your Pages section if you want to edit it or whatever, but it won't show up on your squeeze page, so you can go ahead and title it whatever you want. And then you're going to select the WordPress Magic Squeeze Page template, and then you'll go ahead and type in your text here, and I've already gotten mine, so I'm just going to copy and paste it in. And then you can go ahead and play with it and resize it to what you want. And you'll have to play with it. You can change the color of your text or whatever you want in the WYSIWYG editor. Just go ahead and play with it and see what you like. And then I just go ahead and I scroll down here. And I like my page width to be anywhere between 500 and 600. Sometimes if I have a little bit more text or something like that, I might do a wider one. I'll go about 600. But when I say the page width, we're talking about this little box here that has your text and your opt-in form. So this is 500. If you had 600, it's just going to be a little bit wider. And then you'll upload an image. And you scroll down here and insert it into post. Okay, and then I'm going to change the color, and I'm going to change it for this example to white because I want to show you what it's going to look like if you don't do any opacity. So if the opacity is at 100%, then your box will be completely white or black or whatever color, blue, whatever color you choose to do it. It'll be a solid color, and I'll show you what I mean. So it takes a while for WordPress to save these and open up, and so there you go. That's what it would look like if you did 100% opacity. So it's not see-through at all. And you might want to do that if you have just like a scene, maybe just an ocean scene or a sunset or something like that. You might just want your box to be completely white so that it stands out. For this one, of course, we want it to be see-through. So I'll show you how we do that. So we go down to the opacity, and I'm going to make it about 50%, 55, it's okay. And I also want to move the box down a little bit. See how this one's at the top of the page, and you can see on here how it's moved down here. So I'm going to do this one at 100. It really just depends on how much text you have, or you know how big your box, the content within your box is, to how much you'll want to move it down. Okay, and then I'm just going to scroll down here and enter my opt-in form code, which I already have right here. So you'll want to go ahead and set up your autoresponder campaign and your form. Grab your form code and paste it in here, and then you just click outside of the box and it will automatically fill this information in, so you don't need to worry about that. And then for this form code, I'm only gathering email, so I'm going to select email only. If you've done name an email, you can choose whether you want it to be displayed vertically or horizontally. And then you can also change the text for the submit button, or so I'm just going to do submit, and you can change the color of the box. And for this example, we'll just do black. And then one other thing, and we're almost done. Go ahead and open the user guide in the window, in a different window, and then scroll down and grab this code right here, the bracket AR_form. And you're going to go ahead and paste that in here anywhere. And I'm just going to save this as a draft and show you the changes once it loads. Okay. So there you go. I hope you like it, and go ahead and click the button below and get your WordPress plugin to make these awesome Guru Squeeze pages.